If you've been wanting to replace an old or damaged outlet but feel nervous about the electrical part, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to safely replace an outlet step by step, even if this is your first DIY project. Follow these steps carefully and you'll be able to do it confidently. Step 1. Cut the power. Go to your home's breaker panel and turn off the breaker that controls the outlet you're working on. If you're not sure which breaker it is, plug in a lamp and flip breakers until the lamp turns off. Use a non-contact voltage tester to confirm there's no power. Never skip this check. Step 2. Remove the old outlet. Unscrew the outlet cover plate, then remove the screws holding the outlet to the wall box. Gently pull the outlet forward. You'll see 3 wires: black or red, hot; white, neutral; green or bare, arc, ground. Loosen the screws and remove each wire. If the wires are pushed into the back, use a small screwdriver to release them. Step 3. Prep the new outlet. Take your new outlet. Make sure it matches the amperage of the old one. Loosen the side screws. If the wire ends look old or bent, strip the insulation to expose fresh copper for a clean connection. Step 4. Connect the wires. Attach the wires exactly where they belong. Black to brass screw, white to silver screw, ground to green screw. Tighten each screw firmly. A secure connection helps prevent overheating. Step 5. Reinstall the outlet. Fold the wires neatly into the wall box. Push the outlet back in and screw it into place. Put the cover plate on and tighten the screw gently. Step 6. Power on and test. Turn the breaker back on. Test the outlet with a charger or outlet tester to confirm everything works, and that's it. You've safely replaced an outlet on your own. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and comment what DIY tutorial you want next.